Hello friends, today we'll be discussing a daily trading strategy using Stockedge app. Everyone wants to make money from the stock market but do not have time to go through the lengthy process of research and stock selection. Students want to make pocket money and housewives want to earn some for their special requirements. Some want to earn because their passion is stock markets. Others have heard that trading in stock markets is very easy. If you may want to make a quick buck, thus if you don't have time to research or read the news, then too you can trade with various options given under our Stockedge app. Yes, the Stockedge app is the one-stop shop for all your trading requirements. Now the question arises, how? Is it possible? So here's the answer. Stockedge app has made it very easy for all kinds of traders and investors to trade swiftly and easily. You can not only find good stocks with ease, but can also see the price movement and charts to decide your trading strategy, and all this comes for free. So, how do you go about it? First strategy is our technical scans. So, here in Stockedge app, we have technical scans which will tell you which scan to use for your trading. So in these scans we have these features which will tell you you can choose stocks with simple moving averages or exponential moving averages or commodity channel index. So we have some scans like price scans, option scan, future scans which help you to filter out stocks having a bullish momentum or a bearish momentum. Thus, with a click of a button, you are ready to trade without much hassle. We also have an option for people to set their targets or stop losses for their stocks as an alarm in the app. Thus, this helps you to do your work with ease and even trade without tracking on a regular or a daily basis. Second strategy is the bulk and block deal. So, under the daily updates, we have the deals option where you can see the block and the bulk deal. Okay. So now these deals are regularly updated, and on these deals you can react quickly. Whenever an ace investor enters or exits a stock, you can also follow them in their footsteps. Third strategy is My Investors Group. Under My Investor Group, you can create your own investor group. Then with the add button, you can add 50 investors at a time in one group by clicking on the star icon. When you click on their names, you can see the various deals done by them and the price at which they bought or sold. So under this investors, we can see the recently active investors. Suppose I want to know what the Amansa Holdings bought. So this is the bulk deal that they did on 8th March. And the no block deals was found. So this will give you the data by default. So when you click on the stock, it will by default take you to the chart like this. So if the angel investors like RJ or Porinju etc. have bought or sold those stocks, and if the charts are favorable, then you can also follow them. Thus, without research, within minutes, you have an idea with the help of the Stockedge. We also have an investor group section which tells you which investors were recently active in which stock. Thus, looking at them, you can take your own decision. Fourth strategy is My Watch List. So, under this watch list, with the movement of the stock, with the available feature, you can devise strategy according to what our scan says about your stock. When the scan seems favorable, then you can think of adding more to your portfolio or vice versa. Similarly, here we have some scans which I have already made. So here you can add on this button, search for a stock. Suppose we search Colgate. So we get this stock here. So you can see that it says that it's added to the stock. So when we click on the scans button after getting added, so according to the scans, some stocks get filtered out, which I have created for myself, which tells us that how are the stocks moving. So we have a volume and delivery scan option where you can check which stock saw a high percentage of delivery, and thus you can trade in that for a short-term trading strategy. So here is this volume and delivery scan under the Stockedge scan, where you can see this stocks which had high delivery percentage or which had high traded quantity, right? So we also have an open interest window whereby you can take your own decision to trade by looking at an increase or decrease in open interest at what rate or price. So seventh strategy would be the candlestick scans. So what does these candlestick scans tells us? You know, if the stocks are having a bullish scan or a bullish reversal or a bearish scan, so all these, or some stocks are, neutral. So it will tell you, those who can understand the technicals, they can see this and carry out their own trade with that stocks which are showing in the chart, right, in the scan. So you will be able to see this on a daily basis, and accordingly you can check on and trade easily. To advance your research further, we have a premium version where you get access to ready combination scans to learn, analyze and apply trading strategies from a choice of intraday or swing trading strategies. We designed them to form a combination of multiple scans while you can focus on identifying quick opportunities. And ready watch lists are there to help you to identify and track stocks which are likely to be impacted by current themes like rising crude prices, falling rupee or upcoming elections, regularly updated by us, ready-made for you. Ready investor groups, where you get access to ready-made portfolio of more than 50 ace investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Dolly Khanna, Porenju Veliath, Vijay Kedia, R.K. Dammani and many more. Start following them, learn from their investing style. An interactive edge chart, which is a unique charting tool within the Stockedge platform, when you can plot, like I will show you here, when you type the name of any company and then you go to the technicals, in this technicals we have the chart. So under this you see an edge chart. So there is an option here whereby you can add some parameters. So this, if I suppose I want to add, a relative strength, that I want to know what is the relative strength of this stock. Okay. So when I have added, this shows me that the strength of this stock is right now weak. And the best part here is I can also save this and I can even add more fundamental parameters also to this edge chart. So these are all the benefits within the Stockedge platform that helps you plot your candlesticks, end of the day technical indicators, fundamental parameters and draw trend lines. Its tight integration with these scans is of maximum benefit to the users. Advanced filter makes your research faster, as you can narrow down your list of stocks by filtering these stocks by market cap, price, sector, industry, etc. Thus, be it any trading strategy, intraday or positional, we have it all under one app. Thus, whichever model suits you, use it to stay ahead for others. So, subscribe to our app and trade right and sit tight. If you want to know more about this, you can log on to our blog.stockedge.com. Thank you.